You ever wonder how the stuff you use every day gets made? Cars, phones, washing machines. They don't just magically appear in stores. Behind every product, there's a team of hard-working men and women on the assembly line, putting in the hours to make it happen. These folks are the backbone of industry, and their work is essential to keeping the world running. So, what exactly does an assembly line worker do? Well, it varies depending on the product and the factory, but the basic idea is the same. You're part of a team, and each person has a specific task to perform. It could be bolting parts together, soldering wires, inspecting finished products. Whatever it is, you're doing your part to keep the line moving. It's not always glamorous, and it can be repetitive, but that doesn't make it unimportant. In fact, the precision and attention to detail required on an assembly line are crucial to producing high-quality goods. Every screw tightened, every wire connected, it all matters. And when you see a finished product roll off the line, knowing you had a hand in making it, well, that's a feeling of satisfaction you don't get from every job.
Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the pay. Look, I'm not gonna lie, assembly line work isn't known for being a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a steady job, and in the Czech Republic, you can expect to earn a decent wage, somewhere between 800 to 1100 euros a month.
That might not sound like a fortune, but remember, the cost of living in the Czech Republic is lower than in many other parts of Europe. Plus, it's not just about the paycheck. Many assembly line jobs in the Czech Republic come with benefits like health insurance, paid leave, and even bonuses. That's peace of mind right there, knowing you're covered if you get sick or need a break. And let's not forget the value of learning a trade. Even if you don't stay on the assembly line forever, the skills you pick up, teamwork, problem solving, attention to detail, those are transferable skills that can benefit you in any career.
Speaking of the Czech Republic, why work there? Well, for starters, it's a beautiful country with a rich history and culture. Think stunning castles, charming towns, and delicious beer. Need I say more?
But beyond the tourist attractions, the Czech Republic is also a growing manufacturing hub, with companies from all over the world setting up shop there. That means there's no shortage of assembly line jobs available. And the best part? The Czech Republic offers a high quality of life at an affordable price. You can find comfortable housing, enjoy delicious food, and experience all the country has to offer without breaking the bank. Plus, the Czech people are known for their friendliness and hospitality, so you're sure to feel welcome. So there you have it. Assembly line work in the Czech Republic isn't just a job. It's an opportunity to be part of something bigger, to learn valuable skills, and to enjoy a great quality of life.
Now you might be thinking, okay, but is assembly line work a dead-end job?
Not necessarily. While some folks are happy to stay on the line for years, there are also opportunities for advancement. With hard work and dedication, you could move into a supervisory role or even transition into a different department, like quality control or maintenance. And even if you're not looking to climb the corporate ladder, there are still opportunities to learn and grow on the job. Many companies offer training programs to help you develop new skills and advance your career. So, whether you're just starting out or looking for a change of pace, assembly line work in the Czech Republic could be the perfect opportunity for you.
Let's talk safety. Factories can be dangerous places, but in the Czech Republic, safety is a top priority. You'll receive proper training on how to operate machinery safely, and you'll be provided with all the necessary safety equipment, like gloves, goggles, and earplugs.
Plus, there are strict safety regulations in place to prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment for everyone. And let's not forget about the team. Assembly line work is all about teamwork. You're part of a crew, working together towards a common goal. You'll get to know your colleagues, build relationships, and support each other. And hey, who knows, you might even make some lifelong friends along the way.
Don't just take my word for it. I've met plenty of assembly line workers over the years, and they've all got their own stories to tell. There's the young woman who's saving up to travel the world, the single dad working hard to provide for his kids, the retiree who enjoys the camaraderie and sense of purpose the job provides. These are real people with real lives, and they find value and dignity in their work. They understand that making things matters, and they take pride in knowing that their efforts contribute to something bigger than themselves.
So, if you're looking for a job that's honest, important, and offers the chance to be part of something bigger, then maybe, just maybe, assembly line work in the Czech Republic is the right fit for you.